Hello, techies. This is Lab 2.1.2, and we are going to explore the lab interface. All right, so let's see what we have. So you have been hired as a network technician for a small corporate network. Today is the first day at job, and you need to familiarize yourself with the work. In addition, your new employee will be working in Office 2, so you need to set up their computer. So in this lab, you move from one starting location in the networking closer to Office 2, add the monitor to Office 2, use an HDMI cable to connect the monitor to Office 2 computer, attach the other end of the bottom power plug to the monitor, add the keyboard and mouse to the workplace and plug them into the back of the computer, turn on the monitor and the computer. All right, so that is about it. And then we first of all will go into floor one, and let's see, move from your starting location to the networking closet. Okay, so let's go into the networking closet. And okay, so we're in Office 2. Add the Office 2 monitor. Okay, add the monitor to Office 2. So we have CPU, but there's no monitor. So let's drag and drop this monitor here. Okay, we've added the monitor. So the next thing we want to do is to use an HDMI cable to connect the monitor to Office 2 computer. All right, so. mm, Okay, so we'll go over to our right pane here, and then we drag the keyboard here. Okay, I want this to be close. I want this to be close. Okay, so we drag our mouse in here also, and while our mouse is here, return this to the back so that we can plug the cables. Return this to the back also so that we can plug in the cables. All right, so let's see what we have. We'll take this cable here and we plug this into this port. We plug this into this port, and then the other end is supposed to go into the power outlet. So this other end uh, is supposed to go into the power outlet. So you just drag this and plug it in there. So we close this. We need to drag it instead. Okay, so we've plugged it in, and the next thing we want to do is to plug in our HDMI cable. Let's see, let's drag it again. So it's supposed to be one end in and the other end it will go. uh, so this is our HDMI cable, so one end is supposed to go in here and the other end is supposed to go into the computer. Yeah, so one end in the monitor, the other end into the CPU. All right, so we're done with this. Let's go ahead and just close this. And our mouse, we need to plug in our mouse. Our mouse, of course, will go into the CPU USB port, and we'll do the same for keyboard. So the USB end is going to go into the CPU USB port. All right, so this is connected. So we'll turn this back, uh, turn it back to front, and we'll do the same thing here. We'll turn this back to front also. Alright, we'll go ahead and power the monitor on. It's turned on, and we'll power the CPU on also. Let's see what happens. So we'll just wait for this to load. So this is Office 2 computer. It has turned on. Alright, so that is it. We'll go ahead and submit score. If you find this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe so that others can benefit. Also, share the video in other educational platforms so that other students can benefit. And thank you for watching this video, and I will definitely see you in my next video.